Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to make soft and moist cake in microwave without beater, without baking oven. It is a very simple and quick recipe, and I know you will make this recipe and inshallah love this recipe. So let's get started. But you if still haven't subscribed to my channel, then do so to see quick and easy recipes. So let's see what ingredients we require. Granulated sugar 1 cup, eggs 2, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoon cocoa powder, 1 cup butter, 4 tablespoon milk, 1 cup regular flour. We need a mixing bowl and a spatula. No, because this is a quick recipe. We need a blending jug. Add sugar, eggs, butter and milk in it, and blend it for 3 to 5 minutes or until all the mixture is smooth. Now take a bowl and place all the mixture in it. Make sure to scrape off all the blending mixture because all the ingredients used here are measured. Now sift the regular flour, baking powder and chocolate powder in it. This will increase or make the sponge more soft and fluffy. Now mix or fold the flour or baking powder mixture in clockwise or anti-clockwise, but make sure to fold or mix the mixture in one direction. This will increase the air or fluffiness into a sponge. Our mixture is ready now. Use an old plastic container and pour the cake mixture in it. Do not grease butter or oil on a container. And for my advice or opinion, do not use glass or white plastic container. Tap a few times to remove air bubbles. Now bake the cake in a microwave for 6 to 7 minutes, just like we heat the food in a microwave. I baked my cake for 6 minutes and my cake is still uncooked. So I am again baking it for 1 more minute. That the total is 7 minutes. If you see the cake has loosened the sides of the container, then it means the cake is baked. As you can see, the cake has already loosened all the sides of the container. So without using a toothpick or a knife, there is no need to use them. You can tell that our cake is ready. Alhamdulillah, the cake is baked now. Now we are going to let it cool or let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. It's still very hot but well soft and moist cake. In the meanwhile, when the cake is getting cool, we are going to prepare some chocolate syrup that I have prepared in my previous recipe. If you haven't watched that video, I will link down its link in a description box. I have covered my cake with its cover, and now without using a knife, we are going to place the cake on a plate. Since the cake is well baked, we do not need any kind of knife or sharp object to scrape off all the edges. Now carefully place the cake on a plate. Now we are going to garnish our cake with chocolate syrup and then with dry fruits that were left over in my cabin. So I'm using them along with some sesame seeds, as I love sesame seeds. You can also eat it as it is, but since I love chocolate, so I am garnishing it with chocolate syrup and with nuts. I have sliced a piece of it so you can see how soft and moist it is. I hope you have enjoyed my video and loved my recipe. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy recipes. I shall meet you with another quick and easy recipe inshallah ta'ala. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.